Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV, get that one here. I be a crosses over there, so cause them never do nothing for me and me do for blood clot them. Them was my janitor blood clot worker. Your man will clean all the toilets, sit booba blood clot, sit under for ear Kenneth say, Kenneth angry like dog and beat on the toe face and wetting up and say, wake up. Where?
And me oh me old Tuffy. I mean I talk with no water, but me dry my mouth. If me old she would have to say
She lie bad though. Me not gonna tell no fun don't lie. Tuffy is very lie.
No area, no weird area.
Mute.
I have to go down. If I get my grandmother money, and I get the chance to come in America, I appear to the feds them, and then them match up the two blood clot, which is nasty, some cocky woman. I have to lie about the commerce money. After you tell me about the girl, and you come and smooth the lie. And I say, you know the girl, oh, we ever tell God, say, you must forget give your life to God, you to lie. You have a fall for that and can't do the wickedness, you have to confess everything where you do. Every wickedness you do, it is so good. I'm not playing a games with you, I need my money for. Oh, why you do that to me? I'm a be able money that you know. I'm there make a deal. I want my money.
You hear that?
Auntie, I want them a voice note you drop.
Yesterday, let me see. Yesterday on my next phone, but me never have the phone. The phone, me never have it. When me there in New York, me never have it. So me come home. So yesterday, me see this 10:24, 10:26, and today, one coming 7:30. Me never know session of black, so me just black her.
First clat and me, the Eric share call me name, but you go pan Susie. Me say, boy, tough, you know, nothing for do, man. Go sell some bag juice, no mama.
She sent one message, and I don't know what she did say night, but she deleted it back. She sent one message at 9:14 come in, and she deleted it back quick because I never see it because I'm busy.
She told me, but she hears the pastor say, you never get no money. Say, you don't get no money. If you not get no money, where you forget money from figure?
The pastor say, when the people when they don't run go over, they go look for the pastor say, from you coming to this church, you never ask for a dime. And I said to him, I said, don't I cook for you all? And he said, yes. And I said, I'm coming back to cook. I'm back now, so we're gonna cook. Me never want to ask me give money. You understand?
Yeah.
So me just said, don't I cook on all these things? And he said yes. Over me live. Me do it live streaming. Me do it for me tell him, Mr. Pastor, I'm on live. She just send me my husband number and say she gonna call him, Sean. Like Sean can beat me.
Yeah. So auntie, your man named Sean, right?
Yeah, she just sent it to me a while ago and say, this is his number, I'm gonna call him now.
So your man gonna listen. Your man gonna listen.
Hold
So
on.
we the auntie out to forget your man number.
Hakim Gear.
Yeah.
Hope.
People for the not busy run come here.
Look here. Hope. Sean, this is Sean's number. Call him. I'm gonna call him right now, bitch.
Yeah. Lord Jesus Christ. See enough you tell your man auntie if you don't make a girl. Honestly, your man know better than that.
She call him. Make she call the one there. Make she call the one there.
I'm lay down in my clean bed. My big bed. Yeah.
Make she call the one there.
So we there. That means that Kim no want the war down here. Kim so why Kim a shoot a Tuffy. Kim fi talk to Tuffy and done the war then, man.
But you don't know that she is boosting it. I keep on telling her from last week that this girl is a devil. Me I tell her no, no, believe me. Let me tell you something, people. She act like she's a saint. What say? When me say
She funny,
when
you
me say
know.
wicked, whenever you hear she talk, me never say she
Auntie, you
laugh.
talk funny, but me
Look how
laugh.
she talk, look how she talk. Me say, Lord. The blood clot, devil in a hell, they right there waiting to come out.
Yo, me not give a fuck. Me can't hear Auntie, yo, she funny, hey. She remember my mother, you know, so my mother. Auntie, oh, she go.
Auntie me say, Auntie him talk say, hear him. You come here one and here. When you listen to that one here, me have a good one for go now. Imitate Jamaican. This fucking yo. This girl with her body for a blood clot penguin. You saw her body for a penguin?
Yo, this lady funny as fuck, bro.
This her body for a this penguin girl before the girl go look about her. Come here. Me have some work to do. But me not ready to do it yet. Kim need to go do her body.
Really? Yes, sister, she funny, man. She make me laugh too. She is so funny too. Somebody in the comment section said she make me laugh. She do. She funny.
Hold on. One lady said, me still not understand. She said the pastor give you 25,000. Yes, that's what she said. Listen to these people. That's why I'm telling you, say, enough of them Instagram people, I know. Me used to, Susie, can you tap in eyes on my head? Because I can't take in eyes, you know.
I don't mean, mute you. I don't mean, how that?
Are your husband?
Mute, baby, mute. Oh, okay, yeah, mute. All right, go on.
Look into these people. Because we talk, we not cuss. Me get 25,000 from the pastor and she only asks for $800. I don't make this make sense to it. Everybody gone?
No, here, Auntie, you just tell for silent. I was silent. We are here, yo.
No.
But
Me I said to her, say, she said the death certificate come give me. Me give it to my pastor. One church me go from, me go to Florida. The pastor give me 25,000 United States of America dollar, right? And she only settled for $800 out of $25,000.
that means there's something not right because there's no way somebody will get $25,000 me second for $800. That it does not add up. It not add up. It's so weird.
Yeah, I'm Susie. Susie, let me tell you something. Susie, me the America for 30 years. 30 years me the America, me keep on saying it. And people will say, let me tell you when New York people will say about me and call them ask them. They will say me show off, yes. Me not show off, Susie. When me confident, me have confident. Me walk with confident. Me not show off. And me put on my things. Them Susie are from 2000. Me buy my first bag 1999. Me not go for material stuff. Me not gonna say this.
Yeah.
Me buy my first Louis bag from 1999 in a Macy's at Roosevelt Mall. And from that me away name brand. I'm going to store go buy it. Name brand cannot be stolen. Only one or two things might be you can grab and run. But Louis Vuitton and all these stuff in the store, them a man, you can't thief them at Roosevelt. You cannot thief them. Now them gone to say a thief me think. Alright, me's a good thiefer. You don't rate me thief me good no bad.
Me not think me to me, Auntie, when I go be hypocrite. I don't feel like you as a type of person look thief to go into a store to do that. It's not everything I buy out here. Is the truth. And she Kim, you know me big and me big and broad, I'm not afraid of people. Kim telling Dan to go test the glass and come back and talk if it real. Let us see I wonder, right?
Yeah, but come here. Come here. Come talk.
Come here.
Oh no, come closer to me. Come closer. If you look up on my page, come here. If you look up on my Facebook page, right? Actually everything where when I buy receipt them is there beside of them. But me tell you something. She go a one store on a East 98 98 and East 98 and one like a bad spot. She go buy all the fake something them around there. So them she hate me because I go in a store and the people them call me by my name. We're not going back to name brand. We have to talk the truth. This week I have all my receipt. Up to last week when I went away, I have all my receipt that I go into store. People I go into store and buy. This girl hate me because I can't go into store. She said, if you're a man, them she said them because me say me rich. Them rich too. But them richer than me. Say they're richer than me, why you talk on national TV? Say some of the things fake and some real. Rich people don't wear some fake and some real. Get a life. Leave me alone. Let me go on with my teeth and things. Let me go on with lean teeth. Let me go on with the big foot.
Right this side teeth.
Let me go on with it. Why you taking? Why you text it for me? Why you text it for me every day? Me leave you alone. I don't want to be no friends with you. You call me, you ask me if it let's talk it over. You carry ramping shop name to me. Me say me no want to hear nothing about ramping shop. Before me talk back to you, me jump off a Brooklyn Bridge and kill myself.
I'm just serious.
Before I talk back to them people over there, so all of them were trying to disrespect me. I go up Brooklyn Bridge and I call me two son. And I say, uno sell all them things here, them something here for uno sell them. And I say, take the car and give Susie one of the bags. Give one lady named Susie, get in touch with her on Instagram.
Right,
give Susie one of the bag and give this one of that. And me just chuck the fuck off.
Yeah, you're done. Because you said Hope is buying friend from me. So you hear that, Dawn? Get away, drunk girl. Get away, bitch me died. Remember the Dawn said, remember a couple years ago you see a recruit me, Dawn. You said if you want the real, if you want a friend of me they want a bed, that's why you come out and run. But Mr. You recruit people. And we are call people fuck out married thinking nasty well done. Yeah, Mr. over Kim. She run out on Kim like me. I said what she do over there?
But hold on now. But hold on. She said people are recruit people. People are recruit people. Remember. She asked me for friend back a girl. She said, friend back a girl and make me you eat out a girl. I said, I have morals. I would not do that. She said, friend back the girl need guidance. Friend her back and make we eat her out. I said, no, I'm not doing that. I don't want this girl kill me. You tell me if you come make the girl kill me for money. The girl are wicked. That's exactly what I said. So you tell you?
Wait. Don, auntie, let me say something. Don, I tell you as a big woman to eat out next woman.
Yes.
So damn is a scammer.
I saw me she look up man, she soon get it. Remember me tell you.
And that's why she have pop up glass right now. You fucker yo.
You got hear about it. Because let me tell you something. I'm going on my phone. You got hear about it. Let me tell you no people. Alright, let me go down the line now. Let me go down the line. Me I start from me first. Let me go down the line. Me have to go do what Karen do. Me go get the paper. Let me get the one piece of paper for writing name on it. Because I don't want to figure out because my head no good. Hold on.
I see. Make sure write down our story them.
Hey, girl.
Yeah, but you know.
Yeah, John.
Let me get the paper now. Yeah. Alright. We are
Crosses TV. Watch a one here. Oh,
right.
Not playing.
We are go. Make we go now. Make we go along the line. You have Hope. That's me. Right?
Yeah.
You have Sapphire. Safire, right? You have Sheena, Shena. That's a tree. You no go and count, no go and write down for the something and put the name them.
Tree.
No, she has a here current paperwork. No, darling, me original paper woman from Facebook. Ask anybody. A 3 years ago, me do paper, and they talk about say me do paper. Me have to write down. Me just write down everything from 3 years. Go to Facebook. Go look. A paper woman them call me for years. But look, hold on. No, Mr. Karen do the paper, so me do the draft where Karen did do. So me
come here, Karen. Yeah.
Karen did the draft, the paperwork draft. Me never do no draft. Me I'm going to write from paper, but Karen do the draft good. So me I go follow her. When people do it good, when I'm inspired by people, I follow them, and that's how life must go. If me dress nice and your piece of me dress nice, you must go dress nice too.
Right. Me understand, auntie. Right,
Hold
so.
on now, because me's a federal informer. Yes, me a federal informer. Your pussy and your friend them are go next.
Oh no, you getting blocked, bitch. You
Yeah.
type one more time, you getting blocked, bitch.
All right. Hold on now. Come, we go back again. Come, we go back again. You have hope, that's one. You
Yeah,
have Sapphire, that's two.
yeah.
That girl when I'm rising hope, rising Felix Black, take her off here for me. Come now, Cosar, take her off for me
Oh no.
now. Rising Phoenix too.
Go on talk, auntie. Go on talk. I got you.
You take her off?
Yeah, auntie.
All right. We have Hope 1, we have Sapphire 2, we have Sheena 3, right? We have Sheena 3. Me come down the line now. We have Tawana. We have Tamika. We have Stacy. Who else? We have Ramping Shop up in the house. We have the girl, we have the restaurant. What's your name again? Key something, I remember. Kenisha Thing. We have Iconic for real hairdresser. The hairdresser Iconic. Who else we have? We have Nikki. We have prettiest fat girl. Go down the line. This are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Not 11. Me have a lot more, but me not remember now. Who is on Facebook? Somebody help me. Facebook people help me. We gone 12 already. Karen 13. Susie 14. We have 14 now. And there's a lot more. We not remember right now. She going to people dance. She going to dance hall, and she going to dance hall mash up. She out there talking and she cannot come out from last year, August. She cannot come out, go to one party in United States of America. Oh, what's your name there? Susie one where you and there war. Dora.
Oh, Dora.
We have Dora
Yeah,
too.
Dora.
That's 15 people. Anybody that on the live, text me the next people them. Dora. Let me see. Oh, one next girl named S. Me can call for her name Essa 98. And we have oh my god, what is girl name here? Oh my god. Shit. The Asian girl, I forgot her name.